G'day, Steve Morgan, Fishing Media at the BLA stand at the Sanctuary Cove Boat Show, here with Simon to tell me about Vanemar. And this is a monitoring system for your boat, but that's all I know about it at the moment, Simon.
Correct. Yep.
Tell us what it does.
So basically, Vanemar has been introduced with BLA over the last year. So what it is, you're right, it's like a boat monitoring system. So we can actually obviously monitor a lot of sort of different things, water level. We can also monitor, say, motion as well. But one of the good things is you can actually monitor the vessel's RPM, fuel level, and everything like that as well by using this little Vanemar gateway, which is basically placed into NMA 2000.
And you can do this remotely, so I assume you can be away from your boat. Someone's mucking around in your boat, and you'll get an alert that tells you something's going on.
Yeah, correct. Yeah. So the good thing about this one as well is a lot of the other ones on the market is all done by Bluetooth. This one here is actually done by GPS as well as satellites as well.
Yep.
So you could be basically down in Tasmania, for instance, and then your boat could be up in Hamilton Island, and you can actually still get alerts as long as you've got GPS fix and basically a good signal.
And this is the brain of it here.
It is,
So it's a small footprint in your boat.
It is, yeah. So every sort of system you need, you actually have to have the Vanemar gateway. It's just the brains of it, and then basically everything is just connected all wirelessly through all the other little devices.
So it integrates with alarms and like door sensors, and all.
Yep.
So if you're worried about maybe your boat floating away, someone stealing your boat, your boat sinking, all of those metrics can be monitored.
Yeah. And probably another good thing as well is the motion sensor as well. So if you're again away from your boat, you can have a motion sensor on one of the doors, so you can actually see if anyone's actually getting into your boat.
So it's like a house alarm, but for your pride and joy.
Yep.
So there you go.
And they've also got a tamper alarm on them as well. So if someone actually comes onto your boat, tries to take this off, it's also going to send a signal as well, so you know if anyone's tampering with the equipment.
So there you go. So I think that's a lot of peace of mind for people. A lot of people spend a lot of money on their boats, and this is a good tamper-proof way to keep your eye on it, whether it's lack of maintenance or someone being nefarious. I think it's the way to go. Where can people buy this system? Does it need to be installed by a professional?
No, anyone can really install it. So any marine electrician basically comes with all the instructions. Vanemar is very, very good as well. So what you do, basically install it first. You scan the QR code on the back, and then actually gives you full instructions on how to install it.
On where to go, and you can buy it at all BLA stockists.
Yep, any BLA stockists. All around Australia. Just go and see your local dealers. We can price it up for you as well. Another good function, which I will mention, is we do a lot with work with the fleet markets down in Tasmania, a lot of fish farms.
Yes.
So what they actually do is they actually use this NMEA gateway for all their engines. So what they do is they've got a fleet of 100 boats, and they can be out, monitoring the RPM speed, the fuel, basically how they can drive their boats a lot better.
If they're misbehaving.
Yes, correctly. Yeah, so that's one of the, we've actually got quite a few down with here in aquaculture and Tassal down in fish farms.
Yes.
So they've got about 8 or 9 boats already as well. So
there you go. Whether you're looking after staff or looking after your pride and joy, check out Vanemar. BLA stockists have it in stock.